this kind of bag, very unique and durable, like 10 years तक चलता है ये. It's actually a keychain, but it can be worn as an earring. Nice, pretty. Another hat, it's also for 950.
In the previous episode, we explored Hampi in depth. और घूमने घुमाने के बाद जो एक चीज की उम्मीद आप मुझसे कर सकते हो वो है एक्सप्लोरिंग द क्राफ्ट्स एंड हैंडलूम्स ऑफ इंडिया. तो आज के इस सफर में हम चलते हैं हम्पी के पास के एक गांव में टू सी समथिंग दैट टोटली ब्लू माय माइंड. ओके, बनाना, मोस्टली आवर फेवरेट एंड स्टेपल फ्रूट. और बनाना लीव्स को हमने इंडिया के कितने सारे पार्ट्स में प्लेट्स की तरह यूज होते देखा है. लेकिन आज मैं आपको लेकर चलती हूँ उन आर्टिजन से मिलवाने जो कि बनाना वेस्ट से खूबसूरत बास्केट्स, फ्लोर मैट्स, टेबल रनर्स और ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें बनाते हैं. आपका तो पता नहीं, लेकिन मेरे लिए ये एक्सपीरियंस बिल्कुल नया था.
हाय. हेलो. अभी मैं आई हूँ एक विलेज में. इट्स कॉल्ड अनेगुंडी विलेज. सी, हम्पी के जो टेम्पल्स हैं, रुइंस हैं, जो हिस्ट्री है, ये सारी चीज़ें मोर और लेस सबको पता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल दिस प्लेसेस, आई ट्रैवल टू फोकस ऑन द लोकल पीपल एंड ऑल्सो द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दे डू. सो ये अनेगुंडी विलेज में देयर इज़ अ प्लेस कॉल्ड किष्किंधा ट्रस्ट. इस ट्रस्ट में देयर इज़ दिस रूरल सोसाइटी जहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 700 women हैं and they make products made of banana fiber. Let's go and take a tour. This is such an appealing thing to see. जिस होटल में मैं रुकी हुई हूँ वहाँ के रिसेप्शन के डेकोर में I saw the stuff made of banana fiber. So I was like, I have to come here and talk to these women. So that's why there are a lot many women working, and this is their common facility center, the Kiष्kintha Trust Hari Dharti Rural Development Society. I'm here inside the craft center, and here with me is Nandini.
Hi.
She is the craft coordinator here.
Yes.
Okay, she is going to walk us around the entire center and what are the products they are making here. Is there any name for it particular? I know it as like crafts made of banana fiber.
Yeah, we are making in banana fiber and water hyacinth, both products we are making.
Okay.
I will show you, please.
Sure.
Welcome.
ये आप टेबल बना रहे हो? बैग. ये बैग है. अच्छा, ये ढांचा यूज़ किया आपने इसके ऊपर रख के, ये पूरा. ओके. कितना टाइम लगेगा आपको इसको बनाने में पूरा?
इसको 3.5 दिन.
3.5 दिन. अच्छा. आप कब से कर रहे हो ये काम?
13 साल.
13 साल हो गए. इसी गांव से हूँ, अनेगुंडी गांव से. अच्छा. Okay, so this is water bottle holder. ये कितने दिन टिकता है ये? 10 साल गारंटी है. So this is the first step.
Yeah, first step of banana fiber, how they are making in an.
Okay, so these are what? Banana fiber, from where you get it? From the leaf?
No, this is for stem.
So this is the first material what you get.
Yeah, this is the
Okay.
banana fiber, actual banana fiber, raw one.
So ये roll करते करते this is what they make.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it's gonna be dry, but it's not. It's wet and soft.
Because when they are making crochet, they are making wet. So when they are wetting is raw material, it's getting softer, easy to crochet.
Okay,
Otherwise, it's a very hard. They can't make in crochet.
In this process, do you also cut the trees and you do it?
No,
hard
we are
work?
not cutting any tree. We are not making any damage in banana tree. Just we are collecting for wastage.
So it's more like you are upcycling it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So they are making something so beautiful out of the waste. How many women you have here?
We have involved in our society is 700 members. They are working at home and they are working at here.
Okay.
Depends on their lifestyle.
Okay. So this is the mattress you have made.
Yeah, we are doing in mattress.
What is the durability of these mattresses?
More than 10 years.
More than 10 years?
Yeah.
ये ना देख के लग रहा है जैसे ये जूट का बना हुआ हो, but it's not jute. It's banana. fiber. And how much does something like this cost?
This is 9,500.
Okay. And how many days does it take to make it?
More than 15 days. This is Chota Hanuman.
Oh,
Because in Hampi is a Kishkinda area.
yeah.
And it's very famous in Hanuman birthplace and all. That's why we
Hanuman
are
ji looks very powerful. This is a cute Hanuman ji. So these are like 450 rupees. This is 280. Then you have 160.
This
What
is
this?
keychain.
Okay. I can make even an earring out of it. It'll look nice actually. 160 each. It's actually a keychain, but it can be worn as an earring. Nice, pretty, and it's very lightweight.
And,
Pouches.
Pouches.
This is table mat.
This is table mat. And this is the runner of
Table runner.
runner.
How much is this one for?
This is 1450.
Okay.
And there is a coaster sets also there, and set of 6, set of 4. We are making customized too.
Okay. And this is how much?
This is 650.
And this is also durable, like for 10 years,
Everything,
kind of.
everything. All products is 10 years.
This is made of corn fiber. And how much do you sell it for?
200 each.
Oh, this is so beautiful actually. भुट्टे का जो छिलका होता है ना, we call it भुट्टा in Hindi. Yeah, उससे बना हुआ है. Very pretty. They even provide workshops. I personally do not have too many hours at this time, so maybe I'm parking it for the next time, but I am telling you guys, this is one experience you must take here in Hampi. Usually the workshop are for 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, 350 rupees से शुरू होता है workshop. So they provide you the raw material and they also teach you how to make these kind of products. So maybe you can take the product what you make, you can take it with yourself, and they do it every day. There's particular time slot, so I'm going to put all the details about this place in the video description below. So anytime you come to Hampi, you can give them a call, book your slots for workshop. Even if you do not have time to come for the workshop, you can visit the center and you can buy these products. This kind of bag, very unique and durable, like 10 years tak chalta hai ye. This way we can also support the artisans. Everything is 100% handmade. There's no machine involved at all. ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स के फिनिश देख के ना बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है that this is made from waste. Banana fiber से बना हुआ. Oh wow, we have a hat here. Let's try this hat. This is for 950 rupees. Let's try this. It's not fitting in my head, but it looks nice. Okay, it's small for my head. I have too much hair here, but it looks nice. For 950 rupees, again 10 years of durability. Lovely. They even have an online page and website and everything. तो मैं इनकी details डाल दूँगी description में, just in case if you will want to purchase even without coming to Hampi. Another hat, it's also for 950. Oh, I picked one Peter from Tibet, my hat name. If I buy this, this is going to be Peter too. Pouch is really pretty cute. How do you make this? Oh wow, okay. और फिर से खींच लो. इधर से घुसाना है.
फिर काटो.
ऐसे. Oh yes, I did it. Oh, इतना इजीली हो गया ये तो.
काटो. हाँ तो ये लूज छोड़ो.
ये लूज छोड़ो. ओके. और फिर
है ना, इसमें से काट दो पूरा.
ओके.
में भी काटो बाहर.
अच्छा फिर इसको दोनों में से निकालना है.
निकाल.
ओके. और इसमें से भी.
निकाल दो बाहर.
And that's we make one knot like this. किया? अम्मा विल भी लाइक सर दर्द करा दिया 4 नॉट बनाने में. बट ठीक है, लोग सीख के जाता है यहाँ से. ओके, ठीक है. आपको कितना टाइम से यहाँ हो गया काम करते करते? 25 साल हो गया. इधर ही रहता है इसी गांव में?
इसी गांव में.
नाइस. So in Hampi, apart from paddy fields, banana trees are also very much prominent. That's why you see products made of banana wastage. The village name is Anegundi, and this is the center, Banana Fiber Workshop. Putting all the details about this place in the video description below, so you can check it out whenever you come to Hampi. I promise you, you will love the vibe of this village in Karnataka, and also you will love meeting these artisans, buying products. Overall, it's gonna be fun. Chalo, now let's go to our next destination.